Do I need to say anything? Whew. Hi everyone, I'm Meredith Abbott and welcome to Sur La Table. Today I am making a watermelon margarita. For this cocktail, you need silver tequila, watermelon agua fresca, or store-bought watermelon juice is fine, limes, Cointreau or orange liqueur, and margarita salt. Today I'm using a chili lime margarita salt. Before I make the cocktail, I'm going to get my glass ready. Take a lime wedge, run it around half of the glass. You can do the whole glass if you like. Rub it into the salt, like so. Get some on the edge. Perfect, and set aside. Grab your cocktail shaker, fill it halfway full of ice. Get your jigger out. We're gonna start with Cointreau, 1 ounce of Cointreau. Two ounces of silver tequila. Half ounce of lime juice, freshly squeezed, please. And 4 ounces of watermelon agua fresca or watermelon juice. Top your shaker, and now we're going to shake. We're going to shake for about 30 seconds or until you feel the jar or the glass of your shaker begin to kind of get frosty. Okay, nice and frosty. Really well blended. Take the cap and the lid off, and we're gonna pour all of the contents into our margarita glass. Garnish with a watermelon wedge. Just gonna place that on. Drop in a little lime wheel right next to it. It's kind of fun if it floats on top. Cheers.
For recipe videos, cooking classes, and more, visit surlatable.com.